it's Sharice, and today's video is going to be my July beauty haul. I got a few things from Target. I think I only got one thing from Target, a few things from Sephora, and then most of the stuff is from Ulta, so let's do this. I only have one thing from Walmart. So this first thing, I actually bought two of these, but I already used one. This is the Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm Sheet Mask. This is the super hydrating mask that's supposed to be mattifying. And the reason why I grabbed these is because they were on clearance for $1, so I was like, hey. And I didn't feel like these were actually mattifying. The one that I did try, I ended up doing it like before my makeup, and I didn't feel like there was much like difference in my skin. Next, we have this random ass purchase from Target. This is from the Target Dollar Spots, and it is a makeup sponge. And like I said, it's $1. I might end up doing like a first impression on this to see how it is. Like through the plastic, it feels like it's like, it doesn't feel like it's hard, and I do like the shape. It's like that beauty blender shape. So we will see how this works out. Let me know down below. Almost dropped it. Let me know down below if you want to see a first impression video using this. Now we have two things from Sephora. You've already seen this on my channel before. I'm actually using it right now, and I believe the first time you saw this in my in one of my videos was like the dewy skin video. But this is the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer, and this is in the shade 18 Ganache. I believe that's how you pronounce that. And I really do enjoy this. This is like closer to my skin tone, which I'm really liking for my under eyes these days. And then this was like the come up. So this is regular price $14, and it was on clearance for $7. But this right here was the come up. So this is the Cover FX Total Cover Cream Foundation. I ended up getting it in the shade N110. This is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure that these like have like a film over them, so this isn't the true color. But this foundation is like regular price $30 something, and I ended up getting it for $10. Like, I could not pass this up. I've been wanting to try this foundation for a while. I know it's a cream, so it's gonna melt off of my face during the summertime. But like come fall, winter, I think that's when this will be I think that's when this will be a good foundation to use. All right, so we're gonna go over the stuff that I got from Ulta. It's not that much. So there was a sale, I think buy one, get one, either 40 or 50% off for the Yes 2 brand. So I got the Yes 2 Super Blueberries. This is a eye mask. Oh, they're both eye masks. And this is the Yes 2 Coconuts eye mask. And this one is recharging Greek yogurt and probiotics. And this one is energizing coffee. Excited to try those out. Then I ended up picking up the Real Techniques Expert face brush. I'm pretty sure this was on sale for $6, and I'm pretty sure this is like a cult favorite as far as foundation brushes that aren't like super expensive, so I'm excited to try this guy out. And then lastly, I got some eyeliners. So lastly, I got some eyeliners. All of these are NYX eyeliners, and they were buy one, get one 50% off. And if you spent, if you got $15 worth of NYX stuff, you got a free setting spray, and I ended up getting the matte setting spray. So as you can see, I got a blue, a orange, a red, and a green. I was gonna tell you guys that I don't really know about these. Like, I'm wondering if maybe I should get some sort of like palette or something that's like, I don't know, like a water activated palette, because I always see people, here are the swatches by the way, I always see people use like a palette or something for like their eyeliner or face paints and all this, and I was gonna ask you guys like if you could recommend one, because they look super pretty, but the textures between these are not consistent. So the green one, and they're already cracking, and I literally just applied these. So the green one and the blue one were a like really thin consistency. The orange one was like a decent consistency, but it's not, I don't know if you can tell, the orange doesn't really pop on my skin tone, and then the red was just fucking chunky. So I think I might just end up returning these right now. All right, so that's it for my haul. If you've picked up anything recently that you love and I should try out, let me know down below. If you have a alternative for the NYX Vivid Brights, definitely let me know down below. I really like the blue. The blue is so beautiful, but they are definitely already cracking. And I don't know. So yeah, if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up so more people can see it. And I will see you guys. Before my camera was rude as hell and cut off on me, I was saying I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.